Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Wilfred, an affiliate pharmacist. This video is going to be a bit about my engineering skills. I will be fixing an electric iron, but before we go right into the video, I would like for you all to comment, subscribe, and like the video. Also, feel free to share. Alright, so a customer brought this to me. She said it stopped coming on after a spark at the base of the wire. It turns out some parts of the wires got burnt and was terribly corroded, like it was all powder in there. So what I had to do was cut that part out and strip the wire just up to the point where the copper threads are really visible, and then join the wires with corresponding colors together by twisting them around each other and using the black tape to wrap them up nicely. You seriously don't want copper threads from either wire coming in direct contact, because that could cause a fire or a very big spark. So fill them up properly.
Oh, abeg, this na extension. Help me because I don't know what's happening. But the lights no longer coming on. I don't know if it was my iron that burnt it or what.
Hey, look at it.
Why are you not supposed to? You don't really know that. Your own is very beautiful.
Thank you.
I got like someone doing lunch.
Yeah, I get a lot of nice comments about my room. Some of my friends think I could make a career of interior decoration, which isn't half a lie, because interior decoration is one of my many skills. I'll make a video on that in the future. Still pending on that thought. Still wrapping them up. And yeah, some part of this video was sped up. It took longer because I was trying to ensure everything gets caught on the camera. Well, it turns out it wasn't as perfect as I expected. But anyways, we'll work for this. Now we are done with arranging the wires. It's time to couple the parts together. Just a bit of screwing here and there and be done. Sometimes it's like a puzzle where you just got to fit stuffs matching shapes together, basically. For this part, I didn't know there was a screw there, while opening up the iron. I had a bit of difficulty. There are some things you've got to be careful about while disassembling electronics. Sometimes, or rather most times, some fastened joints are concealed, of course, to improve aesthetics. But then, if it's your first time working on this stuff, you might end up with a few broken parts. Now we're all done. It's time to test this guy. I won't call it my baby because it's not my property. Looks like it works just fine. And it hits up good as well. And yes, these Benz shaped screws, they were a bother, I tell you. I had to go to the market to lease the bits for them from a friend. I guess we're all done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.